Hello, this is Troy with the Noble Grafted In middle position, and right here is where the grafting in begins. We're studying Deuteronomy 32 because it's a shame that we don't know that this is what Paul was using to write this second half of Romans, and it's the entire history of the nation of Israel, almost start to finish. I will make them jealous with those who are no people. I will provoke them with a foolish nation. And you notice, I will hide my face from them, which is the Deuteronomy 32 phrase that we see here, where it says, I will forsake them and hide my face from them. Okay? So now, when you go to the New Testament, it's easy to see why Paul quoted Deuteronomy 32, verse 21, I will make you jealous of those who are not a nation. With a foolish nation, I will make you angry. And why he says what he says here in Romans 11. So I ask, did they stumble in order that they might fall? By no means. Rather, through their trespass, salvation has come to the Gentiles, so as to make Israel jealous. Now, if their trespass means riches for the world, and if their failure means riches for the Gentiles, how much more will their full inclusion mean? Then he goes to this, now I'm speaking to the Gentiles. Now I'm speaking to the audience. The exact same thing he does in Ephesians 2:12. That's why this is called the noble grafted in middle position. So what we have here is a teaching to the Gentiles that basically can be summarized by this. Lest you be wise in your own sight. So just in case you become arrogant, don't be ignorant. So what Paul's actually saying here is your ignorance of this, of Deuteronomy 32 worldview, and what God is doing with Israel at the moment this was written, will lead to arrogance. A partial hardening has come upon Israel until the fullness of the Gentiles has come in, and then a deliverer will come from Zion. He will banish